Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a super quick video showing the phone holder setup that I'm currently using in my Mk5 Supra, and I freaking love it. It's this magnetic mouse case with the MagSafe magnetic vent mount, and Brandon actually got these for me as a random gift the other day, and I love them so much, and it took me a really long time to get a phone mount for this car that I really like, so I thought I'd just share it with you guys really quick, although I don't really do reviews. And I didn't actually think that I wanted a vent mount at first because I was afraid that it was going to be really flimsy. So check this out. Here's some driving footage on a pretty rough road. Pardon the totally crappy GoPro footage. I would not recommend the GoPro, but I would recommend the phone mount. And you can see it does move a little bit, but it's super sturdy and solid. Now, obviously this is not a sponsored video, but my Amazon storefront and affiliate links are in the description if you are interested in checking these out, and that does help support my channel. All right, that's literally all I wanted to share. Bye.